Hey everybody, this is Josh. I am talking about this Kobalt. It's like a laser tape. Actually, this is, which I think actually is a brand name of some other brand. Anyway, this is a KB50 feet. This will read up to 50 feet. I bought this because I do a lot of estimates for tile or for drywall. And the nice thing is it shoots a little laser out. It's got this big, shoots a laser out of this little hole here, and it reads it in this big lens here. And it's a neat little product. It's got this button here where you can push this one here, and it will says units, and it'll read either from the back of the meter right here, the bottom, if you're like have it up against a wall, or you can change it where you're gonna like put it up next to a wall, and it'll read from the end here. So that's what that actually is. It's got an on and off, and then you hit this button too. You just push it and let go. It will measure. It'll change as it reads here. Let's just turn it on and try it out. Here we go. You can see it's all lit up. Now can you see that? It's not reading anything, so we'll hit this measure button here. Maybe. Oh, there it is. Why is it not reading here? Oh, because it's reading at an angle. Okay, let's turn it this way. We can look at the wall here. Can you see it? It should be. Oh, here it is. I don't know if you can see it or not. Can you see that? There it is. So it's reading there. It's reading about 5'10". There it is. And so then you can hit this button here, and it'll save it, and you can move it around now, and it'll keep reading. So the only thing I don't like about it, it's a great little product for what I do. The only thing I don't like about it is the one I had before. It was I think made by Straight Line, I believe. It was yellow. The thing I liked about it was I had a little button down here, and you could hit looked like a little kind of like an angle, and then there's another that looked like a cube. And what you could do with that is you could hit that one and take your first measurement, and then take your other measurement, like you're going to measure this way and that way on a room. Oh, still got it on here. Let me turn that off. Hold that down. There we go. You can measure that way, and you can measure. You can hit that. You can boom, boom, and then it would automatically tell you the square. You would multiply the two numbers and tell you the square footage. Or you could do the cube, and you could do the height. Put it on the ground and shoot it up at the ceiling, and it would tell you the cubic, the cubic volume of that. And that was nice. But this was $24.95 or about $25, $25-$30 at Lowe's, and I think for only spend $25 on it, I think I can pull out my calculator on my phone and I can multiply two numbers. But that's just me. But it's a great little product. I could have got one that does 100 feet. It was $70, but I think for comparing 25 to 70. To get an extra 50 feet. Most rooms I measure are not more than 50 feet. Most rooms I measure are like smaller rooms. So, and if I had to go that high, which is very rare for me, not a whole lot of big houses, rooms that are huge that are over 50 feet that I ever work with. So if I did, I would just get a tape measure out and measure it. But this is a great little product. $24. $25, and it saves a lot of time. You just boom, boom, and you're done. You don't have to get the tape measure out and string it out and hope it stays and hope it doesn't take off. Sometimes they kind of pop up and shoot back at you, and you got to go back over. And this is great. You just boom, look at it, boom, you look at it, and you're done. So it's a great little product, a great time saver. I highly recommend it. This is the Kobalt KB50 foot. It's a laser tape measure. Highly recommend it.